Hello, I'm back again with another PC build video. It has been a long time and a lot of things have changed. I'm happy to say this time that we're going for all AMD. It's a shocker, I know, it's been a while, and I'm glad that the landscape has changed and that Intel and Nvidia aren't really having as big of a monopoly on the market as before, especially Intel with their CPUs. Some would say that AMD is still playing a catch-up game, which is true in the graphics department, but you know, slowly they'll get there, I hope. So AMD is doing a great job. To start off the build video, we have a Ryzen 5 3600. So my friend, I don't think he's going to take advantage of the Ryzen 5 3600X, so we decided not to get it. Plus this is cheaper, so I mean, that's one bonus side. We also didn't get a third-party CPU cooler, just because we wanted to just know what the temps would be like in the beginning. If we feel like he needs a third-party cooler, we would probably just get a Cooler Master Hyper 212 Plus. It's very standard. And the motherboard we're going for is the MSI X470 Gaming Plus Max. Now, this motherboard was on sale. You might ask why we didn't go for B550s, but yeah, the motherboard was on sale, and my friend and I don't feel like we'd take he would be taking advantage of the Gen 4 that's available on the B550. I know people like to talk about future-proofing, all of that stuff, but even then, he doesn't feel like he's going to spend that much money on a new graphics card or just an NVMe drive. So yeah, we decided to go for this X470 instead. Now, the graphics card that we're running is the AMD RX 5700 XT. It's the Gigabyte Gaming OC edition. Again, there was another promo going on where you would get a free SSD if you got this graphics card, though we're waiting on confirmation for that, so it's not in the build video today. The RAM that we're going for is the Corsair Vengeance LPX RAM. It's 16 gigabytes of RAM, 3200 megahertz. Ryzen needs those fast speeds, and the drive we're using is a budget drive, which is the Crucial P1. It's a 500 gigabyte drive. I think that's more than enough for his boot drive and some games and some software. Now, to juice everything up, we're going for the NZXT C650 power supply. This is actually my first time building a computer with a NZXT power supply. So I'm looking forward to it. It is an 80 plus gold power supply, and I'm pretty sure the parts are from Seasonic, so that should be good. And all the other power supplies around the 650 watt range were just a bit more expensive and also out of stock for some reason. So yeah, that's that. And finally, the case we're putting it in is the Fractal Design Meshify C. There's been a lot of raving reviews of this case, having great airflow. I'm looking forward to seeing what it's like. Potentially we might be adding some more fans in, but I highly doubt that. And this case also has the tempered glass side panel. So everything will look cool except for the fact that there are no RGBs. So yeah, that's the build video. Look forward to the rest of it soon. Catch you later, guys.